Hi guys, welcome to this short video. Week 5 have just passed, and I like to do a weekly wrap up whereby I share with you what are the trades that I did this week for week 5 based on my $100,000 trading challenge. As you know that I'm already starting a 100,000 trading account split into two accounts, right? But the capital is add up to 100,000, where I trade day in day out, month in month out, or year in year out, just to show you the that consistent profits is possible and to inspire you to really let your money work hard for you, right? Okay, so just to give you an insight of how a 100k account can grow, right? Okay, so I like to do that wrap up, trades done, right? You have an idea of that, and also give you a market update for next week, right? Week 6. What are you going to expect from the US stock market, right? Okay, so I'm very excited for this. Let's get started. First thing first, financial disclaimer: everything I share in this video is all for educational purposes. You need to do your own due diligence, right? Okay, so and also follow me on social media, right? Please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, and like the video that you are watching right now, right? It gives me indication and encouragement for me to continue doing this video to give you more value and more insights about the markets, right? Okay, and also on Facebook I do post updates about the markets as well, and also on Telegram as well, right? Okay, without further ado, let's just jump into trades done week 5 of 2023, right? Okay, so basically, like I said, I have let me show you my account over here. Okay, this 60k account is doing pretty well for the past 1 month. As you can see, it's just 1 month and doing a 10% return, right? Okay, but I just want to show you very quickly, go to statements to show you just this 1 week, right? What is the kind of results that I did, right? Okay, so let's go to realize summary based on the two account, which is 100k capital, right? When you add them up together. So I'm going to go for custom date range, right? I'm going to go for 30th, and I'm going to go for 3rd of February, right? So I'm going to run it. So you can see two accounts, right? Yeah, making a bit of money, but how much is it, right? Okay, so let's just jump right into the trades, right? Trades done, right? Okay, so you can see over here there are commissions, realized profit, things like that, right? Okay, so over here you can see realized profits total, right? Realized profit total is 893.25, right? Okay, of course I think I did open some trades as well, right? Okay, so not all is tabulated. So 893, right? Okay, 893, which is if I'm not wrong, over here 893. All right, okay. And in my other account over here, I did realize profits and loss. Okay, this one is on crude oil, right? Lost $400 for this week. This is for S&P, right? Make about $1,777, right? And did on gold futures, right? And make me like $400 over dollars. Total, if you add them up, is 1,754, right? 1,754. If you look at here, is 1,754, right? Okay, so if you total these two up, is 2,006 on a 100k dollar challenge. This is roughly 2%. 2% return in 1 week is considered pretty good. I would say if every week you can get 2%, 1 year is 50 weeks, right? That 52 weeks, in fact 2 weeks maybe take holiday and you don't trade, 1 whole year 50 weeks, you will multiply by 2%, it could be 100% return in 1 year. Who knows, right? This is a good week, right? It's not every week that is so good, right? But remains to be seen, right? By the end of the year, we'll know whether we could actually reach a high percentage return by the end of the year, right? Okay, it's still early, week 5 only. But very quickly, I just want to share with you the analysis for next week, right? Just next week alone, very short term, there may be some selling pressure, right? Some selling pressure. Why I say this is because let's take a look at the chart, right? And when we are looking at the very short term wise, right, we are only looking at the short term time frame, and in this case, the short term time frame is daily chart or even the weekly chart, right? But basically, if you look at the weekly chart, right, what happens is that over here, if we were to draw a trend line over here, it was actually going down since last year, right? Last year, and this was forecasted by me last year in January that the market will go down for the whole year through my market outlook, through Facebook Live. I actually did it, right? So some of you, if you go to my Facebook page, right, one of them you can actually see it, right? Okay, so Facebook group, not page, right? Okay, so one of the public groups that I have, I did forecast it. The video is there, right, through Facebook Live. But just want to say, like, very importantly for next week, right, what happens is that it broke through this downtrend line, right, for a second week, right, and even broke the recent high that was established in December, right? Okay, so normally when it broke, right, what happens is that it may come down a little bit, right? It may come down, and since this week is the week that it broke, right, week 5, I suppose week 6 there is a probability that there will be selling pressure to press it down a little bit, right? So that's why there may be some selling pressure. Another reason why this is so is because the rally that just started over here, if I will draw a trend line, right? Okay, let me delete this first lah. Alright, okay, let me just skip and delete this, not to confuse you, right? Over here, this is a trend line up, right? But normally trend line we can draw it this way, another one, right? Okay, yeah. And if you were to look at it, right, it actually continue to go higher and higher, right? This is what we call and it even so is even higher here. So I would say a start of a parabolic move up last week, week 5 has started, right? And this parabolic move could last longer, could last a short while, nobody knows, right? Okay, but what we know for sure is a parabolic move like this is not sustainable, right? Okay, it's not sustainable. So I would say there is a probability that this parabolic move may break down, and that's why I do forecast that this could be a selling pressure for it to come back down a little bit, right? Okay, I do hope that it happens, right? Even though I have long position, right, I do hope it happens, because if the parabolic continues higher, right, when it comes down, it will be even more sharper. I do hope that it happens earlier so that it consolidate a little bit. It's more healthy for it to continue to move gradually up in the long term, right? Okay, so yeah, so be more cautious next week, especially start of the week. I do see that maybe start of the week that the selling pressure may just press it down a little bit, maybe slightly below 410, right? Slightly below sorry, not 410, slightly below 4,100, or testing 4,100, maybe break a little bit below to around 4,080, right? Okay, hopefully you don't break even more lah, right? If it drops even more, then it could be a larger than expected correction, right? Okay, so yeah, so there may be some selling pressure, be more cautious, right? But I do, if you have seen my some of my videos, I do say that long term wise, the market is still bullish. It's just that short term wise, there could be some selling pressure based on what I explained just now, right? I still hold long positions, right? I may do some profit selling, profit taking, maybe start of the week and maybe towards the middle or end of the week, load up again, right? We see how it goes, but basically be notified that this parabolic move have started. I want to take advantage of that, right? Which is why I do have long positions on the long side, right? But yeah, I don't think the selling pressure will be very strong, right? Which is a good thing. So this year is the year I think market will be still bullish even up to now lah, right? For one whole year. But just next week, be more cautious. Thank you so much for watching. Please, like I say, if you like this video, you think that you want to get updates whenever I upload a video like this, then do subscribe and like this video so that in the future I do more market updates to you so that you know what is going to happen soon, right? Okay, the more likes I know that you guys give, I know that you guys like this type of content, and I'll record more contents like this for you guys to enjoy and to benefit as well for your own future trading, and hopefully it can help you to get some profits as well, right? So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.